Oh wow, glad you guys stuck around for the best part. This is gonna be our black peppercorn steak. Oh man, this is exciting. Looks great. Get rid of this pan, turn off our fire, and check it out. Oh, it needs some salt. We got the solution. White Rain, one touch salt mill. All you have to do is load it up and you're ready to go. Press the button, turn to the open circle, remove the top. Your pink sea salt that came in your box with your White Rain. Gonna fill that up to the top of the sight glass there on the front side of the lower unit. Again, open circle, arrow, click, turn right, and you're ready to go. And look at that guy. Beautiful. Wagyu strip au poivre. Doesn't get any better than that. Thank you, White Rain.